Have you ever wondered why some conversations just flow while others feel awkward or forced? What if I told you there's a simple reason and it's something you can master? Hey everyone, welcome back to English Lab, the place where we break down real conversations, explore powerful ideas, and help you become more confident in everyday speaking. Today's topic is one you don't want to miss. In this episode, we're diving into a real talk that reveals insights, tips, and even a few unexpected surprises that could change the way you speak and connect with others. So grab your headphones, settle in, and don't just watch, listen closely. This conversation might just shift your perspective. Let's get into it.
Hey Jake, can I ask you something weird?
Go for it.
Do you ever talk to yourself in English? Like repeat stuff out loud even when no one's around?
All the time, especially when I was learning. In fact, I still do it sometimes. It's called shadowing.
Shadowing? Sounds like something spies do.
Yeah, it does. But it's not creepy, I promise. Basically, you listen to someone speaking English, like in a video or podcast, and you repeat exactly what they say right after them, like a shadow.
Oh, I think I've kinda done that. Like when I watch a movie and repeat a line I like?
Exactly. That's shadowing. It helps you copy how native speakers talk, the rhythm, the intonation, even the little sounds we don't learn in class.
But I feel silly, like I'm just copying without understanding.
That's okay at first. Understanding comes with time. The cool thing is, your mouth starts getting used to the movements. Your ears start catching small things. It's like training your brain and your mouth at the same time.
Huh, I never thought of it like that. I always struggle with speaking smoothly. I pause a lot and search for words.
Yeah, I used to do that too. But when I started shadowing TED Talks and short YouTube videos every day, I noticed a big difference. I started sounding more natural, less like a textbook.
Really? What kind of videos did you use?
I started with short clips, like interviews, vlogs, or even cartoons. Just 1-2 minutes. I'd play a sentence, pause, repeat, and mimic everything, even the tone and energy.
So I don't have to repeat a full video at once?
No way. Start small. Even one sentence is fine. The key is, don't just repeat the words. Try to feel how they say it, like acting.
So I need to be an English actor at home now?
Exactly. Be dramatic, be funny, exaggerate it. That's how you improve fast.
You know what? I think I've been too focused on grammar and afraid of sounding weird. But this sounds fun and useful.
It's super useful. And the best part? You can do it anytime, anywhere. In your room, in the shower, even while washing dishes.
All right, challenge accepted. I'll try shadowing a scene from my favorite show tonight, even if I mess up.
Do it. And remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about building the habit and letting your mouth get used to speaking English like it's natural.
Shadowing isn't about copying. It's about training your brain, ears, and mouth to work together. It helps you speak more fluently, naturally, and confidently.
Find a short English video today. Play one sentence, pause, and repeat it out loud, just like a shadow. Do it daily. Small steps, big progress.